Hello dear children, welcome back to your online classes. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School situated at Golabajar, Gorakhpur. Student, today we are going to start a new chapter. So student, for that you all take out your English reader book and open chapter 5. So student, tell me what's the name of chapter 5? So here we can see the title of this chapter is Jojo's Pet. What's the title of this chapter? So the title of this chapter is Jojo's Pet. Student, in this story, there is a description of a little boy whose name is Jojo, and the Tweety, a little bird, was hurt one wing. So the whole story is moving around the Jojo and his pet. You can see in this story the boy whose name is Jojo and he found a baby bird. So let's start the reading of this chapter. So student, this first line, one day Jojo saw a baby bird. One day Jojo saw a baby bird hopping in the bushes. The little bird was hurt in one wing. Jojo wanted to help the bird. He carried the baby bird home in his basket. Then he took a hammer, some nails and some wood. He built a birdhouse for the baby bird. He built a birdhouse for the baby bird. Jojo named his new pet Tweety. He caught insect for Tweety to eat. He gave Tweety fresh water in a cup. He gave Tweety fresh water in a cup. Tweety's hurt wing got better. She learned to fly. Next, when Jojo called Tweety, Tweety would fly to him and sit on his hand. Tweety was naughty. One morning, Jojo could not find his top. He looked for it till it was time to leave for school. He could not put on one boot. So there was something stuck in. Jojo held the boot up and shook it. Jojo held the boot up and shook it, so out fell the top. Tweety flapped her wings and laughed, tweet, tweet. That was her way of laughing. Jojo laughed too. He picked up his bag and left for school. So student, in this story, there was a Jojo and one day he saw a baby bird. Here you can see Jojo saw a baby bird, okay, in the bushes, and the little bird was hurt in one wing. Okay, so next, what happened next? So Jojo bring the baby bird at his home and treat her. After some time, baby bird, whose name is Tweety, got better and learned to fly. After a few days, she became very naughty. The Tweety becomes very naughty, and because she was doing a lot of things, so other activity, one day Jojo could not find his top. He searched his top at everywhere but didn't find his top, and suddenly he couldn't put on one boot. So why he couldn't put on one boot? Because Tweety hid his top in his boot. Okay. When Jojo put on one boot, so that time he didn't put her boot, so he thinking why he could not put the boot. So suddenly there was something stuck in it. So then Jojo shook his boot, then top fell down. So that time Jojo noted that it was done by Tweety. This work is done by Tweety. So that time the Tweety flapped her wing and also laughed. So that was her way of laughing. Jojo laughed too. So student, in this story we have to learn about the Jojo and his pet. So we should be kind. We should also be kind and helpful towards animal because they can't express their feeling. Here you can see how can Jojo do all the activities and how he take care of the baby birds. So student, in this story we have to learn the moral that we should be kind and helpful towards animal because they can't express their feeling. So let's explain this story. So one day, एक दिन क्या होता है, जोजो सा अ बेबी बर्ड हॉपिंग इन द बुसेज. जोजो क्या देखता है, बेबी बर्ड देखता है जो बुसेज में रहती है और जो जिससे चोट लग गई रहती है वन विंग में उसकी, और वो क्या कर रही होती है, कूद रही होती है, जंप कर रही होती है. सो जोजो वांटेड टू हेल्प द बर्ड. जोजो जो रहता है, आप देख सकते हैं स्टोरी में जोजो है, वो इस बर्ड की हेल्प करना चाहता है. सो ही कैरिड द बेबी बर्ड होम इन हिज बास्केट. सो वो बेबी बर्ड को जिसे चोट लगी रहती है वो उसे अपने साथ बास्केट में रख के अपने घर ले जाता है. ओके, सो देन ही टूक अ हैमर, सम नेल्स एंड सम वुड. वो क्या करता है, सामान लेकर, हैमर लेकर, नेल्स लेकर एंड वुड लेकर वो क्या बनाता है, ही बिल्ट अ बेबी बर्ड हाउस फॉर द बेबी बर्ड. वो बेबी बर्ड के लिए एक हाउस बनाता है. एंड जोजो नेम्ड हिज न्यू पेट ट्विटी. जोजो अपने न्यू पेट को क्या नाम देता है, ट्विटी नाम देता है. ओके, एंड ही कट इंसेक्ट फॉर ट्विटी टू ईट. वो उसके लिए इंसेक्ट पकड़ता है, और क्योंकि वो इंसेक्ट खाती है तो वो उसके लिए इंसेक्ट पकड़ता है उसके खाने के लिए. ही गेव ट्विटी फ्रेश वाटर इन अ कप. वो ट्विटी को फ्रेश वाटर देता है पीने के लिए. ट्विटीज हर्ट विंग गॉट बेटर. उसकी जो विंग में चोट लगी रहती है वो क्या होती है, ठीक हो जाती है. एंड सी लर्न टू फ्लाई. और उसे फिर से उड़ना आ जाता है कि कैसे फ्लाई करते हैं. सो व्हेन जोजो कॉल ट्विटी, जब जोजो बुलाता है ट्विटी को, ट्विटी वुड फ्लाई टू हिम एंड सिट ऑन हिज हैंड. वो क्या करती है, जब भी जोजो उसे बुलाता है ट्विटी को, सो वो क्या करती है, वो फ्लाई करके आती है और उसके हैंड पर बैठ जाती है. ट्विटी वॉज नॉटी. ट्विटी क्या हो गई रहती है, बहुत नॉटी हो गई रहती है. वन मॉर्निंग जोजो कुड नॉट फाइंड हिज टॉप. एक सुबह जब जोजो को उसका टॉप नहीं मिलता है, सो ही लुक्ड फॉर इट टिल इट वॉज टाइम टू लीव फॉर स्कूल. वो तब तक उसे ढूंढता है अपने टॉप को जब तक उसके स्कूल जाने का टाइम नहीं हो जाता है. एंड आफ्टर दैट ही कुड नॉट पुट ऑन वन बूट. उसके बाद वो क्या होता है, टाइम तो हो जाता है उसके स्कूल जाने का, तो वो क्या करता है, रेडी हो जाता है. एंड व्हेन ही पुट हिज बूट, जब वो अपना शूज पहनने जाता है, सो क्या होता है, उसका एक शूज वो नहीं पहन पाता है. वाई, बिकॉज देर वॉज समथिंग स्टक इन. क्योंकि उसके अंदर उसे कुछ चुभ रहा होता है. सो जोजो हैल्ड द बूट अप एंड शोक इट. जोजो क्या करता है, शूज को ऊपर लेता है और उसे उसको झाड़ने लगता है. ठीक है, उसमें से देखता है कि क्या है जो अंदर स्टक कर रहा है. सो आउट फेल द टॉप. तभी क्या गिरता है, उसमें से टॉप गिरता है. ट्विटी फ्लैप्ड हर विंग्स. ट्विटी क्या करती है, अपने पंखों को फ्लैप करने लगती है, फड़फड़ाने लगती है, हिलाने लगती है. एंड लाफ्ड, और हंसने लगती है. ट्वीट ट्वीट. जब वो हंसती है तो कैसी आवाज़ होती है, ट्वीट ट्वीट. दैट वॉज हर वे ऑफ लाफिंग. ये उसके हंसने का तरीका है. एंड जोजो लाफ जो उसे हंसता हुआ देखकर जोजो भी लाफ करने लगता है. ही पिक्ड अप हिज बैग एंड लेफ्ट फॉर स्कूल. वो क्या करता है, अपना बैग उठाता है और स्कूल जाने के लिए रेडी हो जाता है. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट, we have to learn this in this story that we should always be kind to the animals. हमें हमेशा एनिमल्स की क्या करना चाहिए, एनिमल्स के ऊपर दया करनी चाहिए, उनका हेल्प करना चाहिए. बिकॉज दे कांट एक्सप्रेस देयर फीलिंग. क्योंकि वो अपनी फीलिंग बता नहीं सकती हैं. जैसे ट्विटी को चोट लगी थी, वो अपनी फीलिंग बता नहीं पा रही थी, बट जोजो ने उसकी केयर की एंड उसका साथ दिया, उसके लिए हाउस बना के दिया और उसकी बहुत केयर की. तो क्या हुआ, उसके जो हर्ट पिंग्स थे वो बेटर हो गए. सो नाउ लेट्स मूविंग ऑन द एक्सरसाइजेस. सो हियर यू कैन सी देयर इज अ एक्सरसाइज ए. राइट T for true or F for false. So student, we have to write T for the true statement and F for the false statement. So here you can see Jojo was looking for a baby bird. So this statement is wrong. So here you can see there is a F, means false. Second, Jojo found a baby bird in the bushes. So yes, it is true. So we have to write T. Now number third, Jojo named his new pet Tweety. So yes, it is true. So we have to write T. Number 4, Tweety hide the top in a bag. No, it's a wrong. Tweety hide top in a boot. Okay. So now come to the next question, number B. In question number B, read the sentence and answer this question. So he could not put on one boot who could not put on one boot? So we all know that Jojo could not put on one boot. So we have to write Jojo. Okay, now question number second is why could not he put on the boot? Because Tweety hide top in his boot. Okay, we have to write Tweety hide because Tweety hide top in his boot. Because Tweety hide top in his boot. Okay student, now come to the exercise C. In exercise C you can see there is an exercise write question for the given answer. Student, here are the answer. We have to write the question. Okay, we have to write the question of given answer. So choose from the box. You can see in the boxes you can see there is a 4 question, and when we have to use this all the question according to the given answer. Okay, so let us start the writing. So in first there is, you can see it's already done by. So first is who was Tweety? So the answer is Tweety was a baby bird. So next answer is Jojo found Tweety in the bushes. So the question will be where did Jojo find Tweety? Okay, number third answer is Tweety could not fly because he was hurt in one wing. So answer will be why could Tweety not fly? Next, number 4, Jojo gave Tweety insect to eat. So the question is what did Jojo give Tweety to eat? Okay students, now come to the next. Next is exercise D. In exercise D, there is a write the group name for each set of words. So we have to write, there is first group is cricket, ludo, chess, hockey. So these are the group of games. So we have to write games. Second is duck, penguin, hen and parrot. So these are the group of birds. So we have to write birds, B-I-R-D-S, birds. Number third, apple, guava, pear and mango. These are the group of fruits. So we have to write fruits, F-R-U-I-T-S, fruits. Number 4 is table, chair, sofa, bed. So these are the group of furniture. So we have to write furniture, F-U-R-N-I-T-U-R-E. Okay. So now come to the next exercise. Student, here is the next exercise, exercise E. In exercise E, drop the E at the end and make ing words. So student, here you can see there is just some words. So you have to only drop E and add ing to make a word. Okay, so here is the word number 1, come. So we have to drop E and we have to write C-O-M-I-N-G, coming. Okay, in place of E we have to write ing. Make, making, M-A-K-I-N-G, making. Third, write, so writing. Smile, smiling. Ride, riding. Love, loving. Like this we have to complete exercise G. After that come to the next, number F. Okay, in number F, it is the spelling. You have to fill in double letters to make words from the lesson. So in number 1, you have to use double P. So the word will be hopping, H-O-P-P-I-N-G, hopping. In second, C-R-R-I-D, so carrot. Third is hammer, H-A-M-M-E-R, hammer. Fourth is better, B-T-T-E-R, better. Fifth is school, S-C-H-O-O-L, school. And sixth is flapped, F-L-A-P-P-E-D, flapped. Like this we have to complete exercise F. After that come to the next. In next you can see there is exercise G. In exercise G, match the 3 columns and make sentence, say them aloud. So student, this is an activity for you. So you have to make a word, you have to make a sentence using this helping verb, has or have. Okay, now come to the next, exercise H. In exercise H, fill in the blanks with has or have. So in number 1, we all know that we have to use has with a singular number or have with a plural number. So here Jojo dash a top. So Jojo is a singular number. So we have to use has. In second, Mona and Isha. So we have to use have because there is a more than one. So we have to use have. Mona and Isha have long hair. Third, Tina dash a new bicycle. Okay, so we have to write has. Number 4, the baby bird dash a red beak. So we have to use has. Number 5, I. So we have to use have with I. I have many friends. Okay. Now next number is number 6. Grandma So grandma is a singular number, so we have to use has. Grandma has a pet rabbit. Okay, students. So now let's moving to the next. So next is a writing work. Label the birds, then use word from the cloud to write about the bird. So student, here you can see there is a bird. So we have to write their body part name. So here you can see this is the head, eyes, beak, wings and feet. Okay, after completing this we have to make sentence. Okay, we have to fill the given blanks and make a sentence. So in number 1 you can see this is a bird. This is a bird. In second we have to choose word from the given box. Okay, here are some words. So it has a head. We have to use head. It has wings. It has a beak. It has a eyes. It has feet. Like this we have to complete this exercise. Okay students, I hope you all are understood that how to complete these exercises, and also you have understand the moral of this story, and I hope you all enjoying this story. So till then, take care. It's for today. Okay, take care of yourself. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.